You ever had a lesson? You ever taught a lesson that, wow, this is just being in this moment is just so amazing. It's just pure joy because the students are they're just getting it. Everything is clicking. Like your planning, your data analysis, everything is just working together and it's awesome. They've got it. You're certain they've got it. But then the next day comes and you ask a few questions just to warm up the class, get things going, and the students react with, hmm, let me think. Did we learn that? And then you just get a big collective IDK from the whole class. Now, this is just between me and you. It's just us. Isn't that frustrating? Of course it's frustrating. Of course it's frustrating. You put a lot of time and energy into planning that lesson and being in that room teaching that lesson. It was money. You felt it. You were certain of it. And as I reflect on my time in the classroom and the times that that's happened to me, I remember and realize that, when that bell rings, there's so much information coming their way. Now, some of it is important. A lot of it is unimportant information. It's not important information, but that they focus their time on that. And so as teachers, yeah, no, we don't necessarily have control over what happens when they leave the room. And we don't have control over whether or not the students do what they need to do in order to make that information stick. But you see, that's why we believe here that teachers are leaders. Teachers are leaders because leaders don't have the luxury of throwing up our hands and saying, well, I can't control that. I don't know. What do you want me to do about it? No, as leaders, we problem solve. As leaders, we're constantly problem solving and trying to find solutions, trying to find something that works. Now, listen, does it work every time? Does it work perfectly every time? No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. But what we do is we acquire some tools, use those tools, and if they don't work, we get some more tools. We try to find what works. And that's what leaders do. We're constantly problem solving. And to that end, what I want to do is I want to give to you another tool for your toolbox. This is the new improved marvinbird.com. The new and improved marvinbird.com. Please bookmark this site for you. So we go to the Classroom Leadership blog, and the Classroom Leadership blog has very short, I guarantee you, less than 5 minutes it'll take you to read each one of these blog posts. So I want to direct you to this blog post. This is my latest blog post. It'll take you about 2 minutes to get through. Reflection questions that yield productive student struggle. Productive student struggle. In this post, in this brief post, I give you 4 questions, 4 strategically structured reflection questions that you can give to students. They'll work in any class, any content area. Strategically structured reflection questions to really force the students to think about what happened in that classroom, to think about the things that they learned in that classroom. These questions I'm submitting to you to experiment, to try to use, are they the silver bullet? No. But might they help students move a little bit closer? Might they be of assistance? Possibly. So they're worth a shot. As teachers, we're also scientists as well. We're experimenting. We're trying to find, does this work? No. Okay, we won't use this. Does this work? A little bit. Okay, well, maybe we'll tweak that a little bit, see if we can get some more out of it. That's what we do. That's the life of a teacher. So I encourage you, check that out and so much more at marvinbird.com. Thanks for watching.